Hey everybody, welcome back. Appreciate y'all joining me once again in the kitchen. I had a request to do a special recipe. It's called Cajun chicken fritters. Got the recipe printed out here, and FitAnge, I hope this is as good as you think it is too, man. I'm gonna give it a shot and I'll give you an honest testimonial after I taste it. But let me throw all this together and I'll show you how we do that, and then we'll give a little taste test. All right, gang, we're fixing to get this going. What I've got, you need flour, cornmeal, some mayo, a little salt, some shrimp and crab boil, horseradish, canola oil, milk, some kind of Cajun hot sauce, baking soda, some Creole mustard, stone ground preferably. Got some, I'm gonna use some Slap Your Mama, some Cajun seasoning, crushed red pepper, 4 eggs. Got some chicken left over from last night. We're gonna shred that and use it. A little onion, green bell pepper, butter. The only thing that I'm missing, I didn't have any red bell pepper, but the rest of this stuff goes in there. All right, now I had to take those 4 eggs and I separated them. So I got the yolk here. I'm sorry, this is the yolk. That's the egg white over there. Got 4 egg yolks in here. And we're gonna whisk that up real quick. Hang on just a second. All right, back to it. I had to give me a little whisk thing. So again, whisk this up. Kind of good. To that, we're going to need some flour. 1 cup flour. Thereabouts. Close enough for government work. Okay, 1/2 cup yellow cornmeal. Got a 1/2 cup measure here. Come on, there you go. Okay, gonna need a little salt. Recipe says 1/2 teaspoon. Looks good. Baking soda, also 1/2 teaspoon. Close enough. All right, what does it say here? Stir in the egg yolks. All right, buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk, using regular milk. How much of this we need? 1 cup. Bet I should have got that bigger thingamajiggy. Put this in. Okay, got that. Let's see what else we need. Butter. Butter's supposed to be melted. Let me do that. Be right back. All right, so I got my butter melting. We're going to use some of this hot sauce right here. Oh, how much we need here? Oh, let's see. 2 teaspoons. Yeah, that's a teaspoon. So 2 of these. Okay. Let's see. What else? Liquid crab oil. There we go. Zatarans. Same thing. 1 teaspoon. Okay. That. What else? Let's see. Okay, just need the butter. Be right back. It's almost done. All right, we are ready with the butter here. Get in there. Not much butter. And stir all this together. It's gonna be our batter for our fritters. It smells good. Make sure I'm not forgetting anything here. Egg yolks, buttermilk, butter, hot sauce, Creole seasoning, crab boil. All right. Got the flour, cornmeal, salt, and baking soda. Okay. We're gonna let this set for a minute while I do the chop up the green bell pepper, onion, shred the chicken. Be right back. All right, everybody, check this out. All right, got my onions, got my green bell pepper, got my shredded chicken. See how much I need of each of these here. Just so you know, 4 tablespoons of onion, 1/4 cup chopped up green bell pepper, and again, I don't have the red bell pepper. It says to get these egg whites to a stiff peak, so you can fold them into the batter over there. So I don't feel like busting out my mixer, so I'm just using this whisk and just doing this right here with it. Call me lazy, I don't care. Anyway, we're gonna do this for a while until it gets stiff. All right, we are back, and I didn't get this all the way stiff like I usually do it, but it's pretty doggone stiff. I think I forgot to add some of this stuff right here. Yeah, in fact, I know I did because it's not even open yet. There we go. Now, see how much of this it called for. Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons. Yeah, about that much. Okay. Red pepper flakes. Come on, where you at, red pepper flakes? Oh, 1 tablespoon. Yeah, close enough. Can y'all see me up here? There. All right, so then I add my onion and green bell pepper. And I think I add the chicken too. Yeah, chicken. And if I didn't mention, this is just 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I had a little salt and pepper on and threw in the oven last night to go with a pasta dish. This may be a little too much for this little thing. We'll see here in a second. Let's check it out and see. All right, let me get this all folded in here. I'll be right back, y'all. Yeah, I was trying to save from dirtying another dish, but looks like I'm gonna have to. All right, so I got this big one here. I'm just gonna dump everything in there. I'm spin it around here for you guys and gals. I bet this would be good if you throw some cheese in there too. And I checked, I don't have any right now. Like I said, just got back from my vacation last week, and we cleared out the fridge pretty good because we were gone for a little over a week. And I hadn't really gone shopping yet. Done a lot of shopping anyway. Refresh my stock. That's looking pretty good. I'd also put some regular corn in here too. Bet that'd be good. I like corn fritters. Yeah, it's looking much better. All right, now we've got 2 fold in. See how stiff that is? I'm gonna fold this in. And I know, probably not doing this right, but do it yourself. Show me how you do it. Fold it in. Makes it light and fluffy. And we're talking. Looks pretty good. All right, now need to get my oil, bring my oil up to temp. Do that, be right back. All right, like I said earlier, got my oil. My oil is coming up to temp. Let's put together this mustard, mayonnaise mustard dipping sauce. See what it calls for here. I I don't particularly like mustard a whole lot, so I'm gonna do half this recipe and let the wife have it. All right. So what I'm doing here, just double it, y'all. 1.5 cups mayonnaise. I'm gonna do 0.75 cups. So that's 3/4 cup, right? All right, so that's about 1 cup. I don't have a whole lot left in there. I think I'm just gonna add the rest of this in there, which is another tablespoon. There you go. A little bit more. All right, done. What else we got? Need some Creole mustard. 3 tablespoons. Do I have a tablespoon out here? I do not. All right. So I'm gonna do, again, half. It calls for 3. So I'm gonna do 3 teaspoons. And it's just a regular, teaspoon. Not measuring device is what I'm trying to say. What else we got? Hang on. All right, we got some horseradish here. And I'm not using the hot stuff, I'm using the milder horseradish. I do have some hot. You wanna see it? It's good stuff. This is what I like right here. But I know that Creole mustard's got some heat to it, so I'm just gonna use regular. All right, it calls for 1/2 tablespoons of horseradish. So I'm gonna use a little less than a tablespoon. Like that, there we go. So again, the actual recipe calls for 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of Creole mustard, 1.5 tablespoons horseradish. That's your dipping sauce. Mix it all together. Whew. Yeah, I'm just not a big mustard fan, y'all. Anyway, y'all can try it. All right, let me get the oil going. All right, we're gonna give this one more, just little fold like that. Let's see if I can drop just a little bit in and test this oil. Needs to go a little bit more. Give me a minute, we'll be back. Okay, I think we are ready. Let's try one of these. Let's see what it does. I'm just using the same pan I did the melted the butter in. Let's give those 3 a try. Tell you what, I'm gonna set my pan over here. And it's just a pan that I've got a cookie sheet rack, cooling rack on, with some paper towels under it. So I need to let this go for a couple of minutes. Yeah, it says to cook about 3 minutes and turn it once during that 3 minutes. Some oil may be a little too hot now. Let me turn it down just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and flip. Just like that. Okay, hopefully y'all can see that. I did lift the camera so y'all can look further down into what's going on here. Get that out of there, piece of junk. Okay, and we're just waiting and waiting. I don't think it's taking 3 minutes. Of course, it depends on the temperature oil, so got to consider that too. But we'll give this a try here. Let me flip it over one more time because I've turned my oil down, so it is cooling down right now, but it was a little hot when I first started. Yeah, so flip these one more time. There we go. Do this one. Come on. Flip, boy. Right. That's a crazy looking little fritters, man. Let's go for another second. They look pretty good. Okay, cool them off a little bit. Hey, honey.
Hey.
You getting hungry?
Smell it.
All right. All right, everybody. Pulled all them out. I'm gonna do one more batch. I'm gonna make a big honking one. There, now. See how that goes. Okay, do these, be right back. All right, everybody. These are almost done. It's my last batch I'm gonna do. I do still have about half of this batter left. But so far, including these 4 that are still cooking, I made 12. So what I did, I'll do about 24 of this golf ball size, basically. You know, so. All right, let me pull these out, cool them off. We'll give them a little taste test. All right, everybody, here's what they look like. It's a little green bell pepper right there, bottom. All right, let's cut this open. Let's see what this looks like. There we go. Just like that. Not bad. Okay, let's give them a try. All right, everybody, we're at the end of the cook. And again, if y'all didn't see it before, that's what it looks like. Let's give this a little try here. Sure, there's some people that would like it. I can definitely taste the green bell pepper and the onion in it, and the chicken, of course. But it's like an airy, spongy, bready consistency. I can taste the crab boil. Can't really taste the Cajun seasoning all that much. But I'll try with a little mustard. I don't really care for the way this is tasting myself right now. It's not my cup of tea. But let's try it with a little bit of that mustard, which I don't really like mustard either. All right, let's give that a shot. No. No. I'm glad I stopped making them. I don't think I'd make these again. I appreciate the suggestion. I'll be happy to check out any recipes y'all want me to and see if I can do something with them. If I were to do anything with this, I'd probably add some corn to it, put some cheese in it, throw in something that would make it not taste quite as bland, because I like my stuff to taste pretty good. What do you think, honey?
It needs a little kicked up spice in it.
There you go. All right, so won't be making these again, but you never know until you try it. So if y'all think it looks good, give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. Appreciate y'all joining me once again. Thanks to all my subscribers I've got now, and Tom's Test Kitchen. Buddy, you're sending me some subs, man. I appreciate that little deal we did film last weekend. That was really sweet of you. I hope we can do it again in the future. But for now, I'm gonna shut this down. We'll see y'all next time. Thanks again for watching. All right, let's give Lucy a little bit. Let's see if she likes it.
You like it, Lucy?
Oh, she's wagging her tail, Mama. She likes that. But Buddy, you like it too?
I think they like it.
Okay. All right. Know what the dogs are eating tonight. See y'all later.